Hi, I'm Elif Üstünda and I'm an industrial engineering student at Bilkent University. My physics 102 experiment is called Observing Kirchhoff's Law, and the purpose of this experiment is to observe Kirchhoff's law in a DC circuit by measuring the voltage differences. And if Kirchhoff's laws are true, then experimental values and the theoretical values must be similar. For this experiment, I used a power supply which applied 20 volts, a multimeter to measure the voltages, some cables, and 5 resistors. Their values were 10, 150, 220, and 330 kilo ohm. A junction is a point where 3 or more conductors meet, and a loop is a closed path in a circuit. Kirchhoff's laws consist of two laws. First one states that the sum of the potential differences around any loop equals to 0. Second one states that the sum of the currents into any junction equals to 0. In my circuit, the sum of I1, I2, and I3 must be 0 based on Kirchhoff's law. Same way, sum of I4, I5, and I6 is also 0. Using V equals I times R formula, I calculated V2 and V1. For my experimental values, I set up the circuit and measured voltage differences across each resistor. Then I recorded them on a table along with the theoretical values, and I drew the graph of the error rates. In conclusion, Kirchhoff's laws can be observed from this experiment. As it can be seen from this table, the experimental values and the theoretical values are very similar, and the difference is very small.